vlogging!
Hi, what's up guys? My name is Sifa.
I am Zulfa. We are from SMKN 1 Grati Pasuruan.
Our team will present a video about how to make basket cup holder from used cup drinks like this.
Why do we want to make this?
Well, basket cup holder is used in almost every household in Indonesia, especially during Idul Fitri when we have so many guests.
Yeah, exactly. We can easily serve cup drink to our guests using the basket cup holder. I also have one in my house.
However, the basket cup holder that we're going to make is different because it is environmentally friendly. It is made from rims of cup drinks.
So, we can make use of the cup drink waste into something useful.
You are right. Our main goal is to reduce waste of plastic cup drinks by recycling its rim into a beautiful basket cup holder.
Wow, I can't wait to learn how to make it.
Let's check this video.
Hi, please have a drink, guys.
Thank you, Santana. Wow, your cup holder is so pretty. Where did you buy it?
I made it myself. It's from rims of cup 3. I Irfan sell this.
No way, it's so cool. Do you mind teaching us how to make it?
Sure, I still have some of the materials needed.
Cool, let's finish our homework and start making the cup holder.
Materials and tools. Rim of cup drinks. Red and white twist tie wire. Used cable. Steel wire. Scissors. Pliers. Cutter. Prepare the tools and materials. Cover rims of cup drink with twist tie wire. Assemble them into a shape of a cylinder for cup holder and repeat up to 6 times. Cover steel wire with twist tie wire. Fold it into a rectangular form. Cover the used cables with twist tie wire. Put the cup holders into a form of rectangle 2 x 3 using twist tie wire. Stick used cables on the side cup holder using twist tie wire and tie the top of the cable. basket cup holder is ready.
We did it, guys. I can't believe that it's actually so easy to make one.
Anyway, how much do you usually sell this?
It's 80,000 rupiah.
Wow, great! Not only reducing the plastic waste, but we can also make money from selling this.
Thank you for teaching us.
My pleasure.
Okay guys, that's how to make basket cup holder for used cup drinks.
Yeah, it's so beautiful and you can make it at home.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like.
Bye.
Menuju asa di SMK Negeri 1 Grati yang bersinar terang di dunia, membangun jiwa wirausaha berakhlak mulia, berkarya berdaya guna untuk negara dengan ridha Tuhan Yang Esa. Selalu jaga dan merawat lingkungan, sekolah bersih, sejuk dan nyaman. Kembangkan potensi, tingkatkan kompetensi, percaya diri, raih prestasi. Mampu menghadapi tantangan, santun selaras keanggunan. Tangkas terampil dan cerdas, kreatif, inovatif, disiplin dan mandiri. Bersinar